Welcome everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you create or design a car at home. So in this video, I have covered important points, or maybe it's very important for you to know about how to design car. It's maybe you can think it's intro, but it's important knowledge, important information provided. So please don't focus on my English. Please know what I am delivering information to you. So let's start. How to design car at home. Designing a car at home can be a complex and challenging project, but its dedication and proper planning, it is possible to create your own customer care. Here are some general steps to get you started. Research and planning. Study existing car design and automotive engineering principles. Second, determine the type of car you want to design, example, sports car, electric vehicles, etc. Get goal and define your design certain such as performance, aesthetic, safety and functionality. 3. Consider legal requirements and regulations for reverseness in your area. Second, conceptual design. Sketch your identities on paper or use computer-aided design (CAD) software to create 2D or 3D models. Define the dimensional properties and basic layout of the car. Includes the chassis, body and interior. Engineering and components. Determine the mechanical system and components required such as engine, drivetrain, suspension, brake and electric system. Research and select appropriate of the cells, components or consider custom fabrication is necessary. Ensure compatibility and integration of various systems. 4. Structural design. Design the case or frame structure to provide strength, rigidity and safety. Consider factors like weight, distribution, aerodynamics and crash worthiness. Consult engineering principle and seek expert advice if needed. Body design. Develop the exterior body, shape and style. Take into account aerodynamics, aesthetic and practically. Consider factors like access to engineer components, passenger space and visibility. Create 2D or 3D rendering to visual the final design. Interior design. Design the layout and ergonomics of cabin, including seats, control, instrumental and comfortable features. Consider safety requirements and accessibility for occupants. 7. Prototype and testing. Building a scale model or a full-scale prototype of your design. Test and evaluate the prototype for performance, safety and functionality. Makes necessary modification and refining based on the test result. Legal and regularity. Consideration. Research and comply with revealed relevant regularity for roads, legal vehicle in your area. Include emission standard, safety and regularity and registration requirements. Consult with automotive experts and regularity authority to ensure compliance. Manufacture and assembly it. Once the design is finalized and tested plan for manufacturation and assembly process. Determine if you build the car entirely for yourself by yourself or enlist professional help to specify tasks like welding, painting or upholstering. 10. Build and refine. Start building the car following your design plan and assembling instruction. Consider, evaluate in progress and make adjustment as need. Seek assistance from professional or experienced ensuring in if you counter challenge. Remember, design and building and cars in complex undertaking that requirement expertise in variation discipline. It's crucial to have strong foundation in engineering principle, access to proper tool and equipments and realistic understanding of capability and resources. Consider collaboration with experienced professional or joining car and ensures community for guidance and support through your project. Thank you for watching the video.